You know what? Let me show you my terrarium seedlings in the daylight. Ain't that cool? Hang on. Okay, what I was trying to explain last night, these first two rows, see I clipped this right here so I know which side is side. So the first two is my super snappy peas. Don't they look awesome? These two is my okra. These two is my lettuce. Never done lettuce before. And then these two are my carrots. And then over here, I'm not doing a good job, is my corn. I hope I did a better job in the daylight. It was getting too dark. Here's my tubes. If I could just get the corn to grow. And yes, I use these Jiffy. These are fun to use. The granddaughters love it. They just, of course, they're not around, you know. But look here. I don't know if you can see that, but I found some more potatoes sitting around. I put them in my pot. They're growing, so I got to find somewhere else to get them. I got to transplant them. You know what? It's daylight. I'll show you my taters again. Well, it's still kind of dark over here. Boy. Look at that. So I saw a commercial. We're going to talk a pizza story real quick. I saw a commercial for Little Caesars. And you can order online. You can go up there and you flash this little square thing on your phone and a door will open up and it'll be your order. You don't have to see or touch or do anything. That was crazy. And I told Gigi I was going to do that. She goes, you got them little cheap pizzas in there? And I said, that's not what I want. She goes, I got everything you need to make a pepperoni homemade pizza. And I said, it's not what I want. So I went up there and I got it. It was kind of cool. Yeah, there's some laundry places do that too. And you can get your laundry 24 hours a day. Nice. Take care. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Big W made me that. If you want to see some stuff going on over there in Arizona, this link's down below. Alright. Hope y'all doing well. Oh, tomorrow, if I get home in time, I'm going to go to watch live, Blind Views live. Yeah, I'll be in there for a while. But I'm looking forward to Jack's Drinkwater in the hot seat over there with CJ. That's later on tomorrow night. I'll be there. Yeah. He's one of my two YouTube man crushes. Yeah. Alright. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.